Okay, I just asked Claude to rebuild a big chunk of my website. Add a menu, add my opening hours, add a contact form, and normally it would just start doing it. But this time, before it changed a single thing, it stopped. And it showed me this, a complete step-by-step plan of exactly what it was about to do. And then it asked me, should I go ahead? That, right there, is plan mode. And once you start using it, you will never want to build without it again. Because here is the thing nobody really warns you about when you start. The scary part of building with AI isn't that it can't do the thing. Is that sometimes it does the wrong thing confidently and fast, and you only find out after it has already changed a dozen files. Plan mode fixes that completely. So in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly what it does, how to turn it on, which is literally one key, and the one moment where it will save you from a real mess. Stick with me, because this is a feature that takes you from nervously hoping you got it right to actually being in control. So let me show you the normal way first, the way most people use Claude. I've got this little coffee shop page, and I ask for a few changes. Add a menu, some hours, a contact form, and watch what happens. It just goes immediately. It starts rewriting my file right now, no questions asked. And look, a lot of the time, that is totally fine. That is the magic of this thing. But every now and then, it misunderstood you. Or it picked an approach you would hate. And it is halfway through changing everything before you even realize it's heading the wrong direction. And now you're cleaning up a mess. So here is the fix, and it could not be simpler. Before I type anything at all, I just tap one little key combo, Shift and Tab. And down at the bottom, you'll see it flip to plan mode on. That's it. That's the whole switch. Now here is what's different. I asked for the exact same thing. Add the menu, the hours, the contact form. But this time, Claude is not allowed to touch my files. Not yet. Instead, it quietly goes and reads through my project to understand what's already there. And then it writes me a plan. Look at this. It is not changing anything. It is telling me in plain English exactly what it intends to do. The menu section here, the opening hours here, a contact form at the bottom. It even tells me which file it's going to touch and how it plans to double check its own work when it's done. And then right at the very bottom it stops and it asks me, would you like to proceed? With my option sitting right there. Yes, go ahead, or no, let me change something first. Nothing has happened to my website yet. I am completely in the driver's seat. And this is the moment that matters, because now I actually get to read it before any damage is done. If the plan looks right, and this one does, I just say yes. And now it builds fast and confident, exactly like before, but this time it's building something I already looked at and approved. And there it is. The menu, the opening hours, the contact form, all added, all matching my original style, and not one single surprise. And hey, if you're already seeing why this is such a game changer, do me a quick favor and hit subscribe, because this whole channel is about the little things that make building with AI actually feel safe. Okay, back to it. So when should you reach for plan mode? Honestly, anytime the change is bigger than tiny. Fixing one word, sure, just let it rip. But redesign my page, add a login, change how this whole thing works, those are exactly the moments you want. The plan first. My rule of thumb is simple. If you would be annoyed to undo it, turn on plan mode. And here's the best part. If you read the plan and something is off, you don't start over. You just tell it, right there actually, do it this way instead. And it rewrites the plan. You are shaping the work before it ever happens. And once this really clicks, something changes in how you build. You stop feeling like you're crossing your fingers and hoping the AI guessed right. And you start feeling like you've got a genuinely fast, genuinely smart builder who checks in with you at exactly the right moment. Before the work, not after the mess. That is the whole game. So real quick, let me recap it. Plan mode. You turn it on with Shift Tab. Plot stops, it reads your project and it shows you a complete plan instead of just charging ahead. You read it, you approve it, or you change it, and only then does it actually build. It is the entire difference between hoping and knowing. So go try it on your very next change. Turn on plan mode, ask for something, and just read what it hands you back. It feels different immediately, I promise. And if this is the kind of thing that's been clicking for you lately, subscribe and stick around, because next I'm going to show you how to give your app a real login and a real database. So people can actually sign up and you can actually store their stuff. No code, of course. That one's a big one. I'll see you there.